maintenance. When the machine doesn't work, firstly, please check if power line is connected and power indicating lamp is lit. Second, please check if the connector of power line on the back of front door is got loose. At last, take the rear case apart and twist the exhaust shaft off to check if the connector of power line is got loose. You can press the green cleaning button inside the machine to clean the drink outlet. Press it once to clean the first drink outlet. Press it twice to clean the second one. Press it 3 times to clean the third one. Hold it 3 seconds to clean the 3 drink outlets one by one. Button for test of cup 4. Please confirm the setting of cup mode is AC1, function of cup's automatic fault first. Then check if the cup stacking state is too tight. Both are okay, maybe motor fault. Please contact the local designated agents or after-sales service center. Little material powder or no powder. First to check if the raw material outlet is downward, then check the contact status between the internal line. Under the standard condition of the factory, little water or no water can be adjusted by the adjustment lever of export water electromagnetism valve and be up to the standard water outlet quantity. On the display, the light of no cup lid shows there's no cup in the machine, and the light of no water lid shows there's no water. Please check the water storage. When the machine displays E1 code, it is that the connecting line of water temperature sensor got loose or the control PC has a fault. Please check the line of control and water leakage position. Further, check the adjustment lever and observe water leakage. When the current is too large, the fuse blows out and the power supply is cut off, you must replace it with the new one. When replacing, turn off the power and pull out the power plug. Open the cover of the fuse box. Take out the fuse and put in the new one and screw the cover. The correct use and maintenance will serve you better and add unlimited fun to your life. When you meet any insolvable difficulties in use and maintenance, please remember to contact local agents or after-sales service center. We will be at your service. Thank you.